Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Ukulele Wine Time, ukulele lessons for beginners, where I teach you how to play the ukulele and we drink wine while we do it. My name is Catherine. I am a music teacher, a musician, a songwriter, and a mom. I have my master's degree in music from the University of North Texas. Heyo! I've been teaching music for over 10 years. I love playing the ukulele. I love drinking wine. It's pretty much the perfect combination. Here on my channel, I provide song tutorials, tons of ukulele practice exercises that go nice and slow, step by step, to build your confidence not only as a ukulele player, but as a musician overall. You're going to learn a ton of songs that you can play at home, maybe around the campfire, maybe for your family or for your kids, but especially for you. This project for me stemmed from longing for more creativity in my life after being super busy with work, with raising kids, just with life in general. So if that resonates with you and you need more creativity in your busy life, you might need some ukulele wine time. I approach each video as I would a one-to-one lesson with a beginner ukulele student. Again, we take it nice and slow, lots of chord review, some technique, basic setup of your ukulele, a little bit of music theory, but we keep it really fun. It's gonna, again, help you be a more confident musician. But this whole thing is meant to be low pressure, fun, taught by an experienced music teacher, and we're drinking wine. Okay, you don't have to drink wine. Obviously, you can drink water or seltzer, or if you're doing this over your morning coffee, I love that. Cheers to you. No pressure. I release a new video every Friday and Monday. Friday is a new song, so that's a brand new song you can learn every week with a PDF chord and lyric sheet. And then Monday is a ukulele practice exercise or how-to or other awesome creative philosophy for you. If that sounds great, if you're like, I'm in, I want to drink wine and learn how to play ukulele, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to hang out with you and play more music with you. Let's freaking get creative together. Let's learn how to play the ukulele. You need more ukulele wine time in your life, I think. That's what I think. Cheers to you, and I hope to see you soon. Ukulele wine time.